How to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open this PC folder and go to our devices and drives, click on your drive C, and then choose Program Files times 86. Once you are routed to this page, go to Microsoft. Now here, let's choose Edge. Go to Application, enter or click in this coded numbered folder. Now let's just look for installer, and in this section all we need to do is to backspace and type in cmd, and by then this will show up. Now all we need to do is to paste this one, which will be provided in the link below, and hit enter, and by then your Microsoft Edge will be uninstalled. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.